It's actually sort of sad how much I do this. Like, I've checked the tides. It's dead low tide, but it's going to be incoming the whole time. Yeah, that's good. I never check the rain forecast. Why? Stop. Anyway guys, Fishinstraya back with another video, and today we're down back at same pontoon that we didn't catch anything at last time. We're back for redemption, I guess. And also it was close and it started to rain, so yeah, well look, we're here. And so we've got 2 rods, we've got the goods from Tamar Marine, we've got some bait and a couple of plastics there. Yeah, so anyway, just gonna throw out and have a bit of a fish and hopefully don't get too wet. Stop! Why? Why do I always never check the rain forecast? It's literally perfect apart from the rain though, so just forget about it and hope my original on jumper from AllGoods Launceston just keeps me dry. It will. Anyway, I'll see you guys when we're on.
G'day guys, this Fishinstraya video is proudly sponsored by AllGoods Outfitters Launceston and Tamar Marine Launceston. Make sure to get in store so they can continue to support me to make more videos like this one. And subscribe while you're here, it's free and it really helps me out. Enjoy the rest of this Fishinstraya video.
Why I went back there, I really don't know. But anyway, next spot. Oh, righto guys, so I guess sort of forget that the best start of the video ever happened. Like, both of those spots were horrible. I don't know why I didn't just come out here all the way to Beauty Point to start with. So yeah, so we got bait rod out, got the little Berkeley plastic on, and we're just gonna flick around until we get something on. And also, I just want to say, how good is that? Makita radio / rod holder, like, how good? Does the job perfect. If you can't put her in anywhere around here, that's the go. Anyway, bait rod's out, plastic's about to get out, let's get some fish. Well guys, just as I ended that video, my Makita speaker rod holder trick nearly just went into the water, as I've had one Mr. Flathead just absolutely hammer it and didn't even have to hook. So these Hayabusa whiting rigs, yes, they're whiting rigs, they, hold on, I'll just grab me pliers because I don't really want to get spiked today. It's not really on my to-do list. These Hayabusa rigs come with circle hooks, so majority of the time they will hook themselves. That's what the hooks are designed to do, and it's worked there as I've just shown. So anyway, nice little flathead. Before I could even get the plastic rod out, we'll just slide him down. So yeah, those Hayabusa rigs are available at AllGoods Launceston, and they're very cheap, and although they are whiting rigs, obviously they're bait, so they will catch you a very wide species of fish, and they're very good rigs. Hooks are good, easy to use, straight out of the packet, straight on. All you gotta do is literally tie it on to your tie the swivel onto your line there, and then bait up, and then yeah, I'll replace that one, and then put your swivel on the bottom, which there's a clip provided, so perfect. Anyway, back out, bigger and better things to come. Oh, go on, come back. It was a nice take. Go on, get in the pocket. Come on, do up. Well guys, there we go. Oh! No way! We're doubled up! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, this is so bad. Right, we'll try and get the cod up. Oh, oh, cod up, cod on, big cod. Oh, oh god, oh, okay. Holy hell, that was a mission. That was a mission and a half. So there's cod number 1 on bait, just slides back in. All good. That's actually a really good cod on 4 pounds. Why? Why is that? Oh my god. So, he's just completely annihilated that little Berkeley gulp plastic from Tamar Marine. Right. It's pissing down with rain, but we're doubling up. How good. So, just 4 pound line on this little crucius rod. Plastic just comes out like that. So yeah, just a little 1/4 ounce jig head and Berkeley soft plastic from Tamar Marine, and literally just sat it on the bottom for ages, and it's produced not bad sized cod. But anyway, that's all good. We're working out, fish are on. I'm gonna throw this bag and this hat back into the car so it doesn't get too saturated as it already is, and get back out there. Good stuff. Not much, how about yourself?
Really? How many you caught?
Only really cod and flathead, but
Not keeping them?
nah.
What are you doing that we aren't?
How light you fishing?
What do you mean?
Like, how light's your line?
16 pounds.
Yeah, right, I'm only using like very light, like 4 pound sort of thing. So, I'll show you. That's plastic I'm using.
Yep.
Just sort of small, and
That blue bait.
yeah,
Will you just cast it and sit out there?
yeah. Am I on? Maybe, no. That's the rig I'm using. So those Hayabusa whiting rigs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just using them with a little bit of blue bait on the end. Just pretty much just, because they're circle hooks on them,
Yep.
so they hook themselves.
Yep.
So all you got to do is cast out, let it sit, loosen your drag if you're not going to be right next to it, and then it'll just pick up and take off.
Alright, so that one.
I find this spot pretty good because it's just basically just deep as right out.
Yeah.
But over there, usually if you cast out 20 metres sort of straight out in front, there's a bit of a sand bed, and you usually just find flathead on it one after another.
Straight out.
Just pretty much straight out anywhere. So you've got that left side of that pontoon.
Yep.
Pretty much just anywhere straight out there, about 20 metres.
Alright.
And yeah,
Catch buddy.
Yeah.
What? Squid or blue bait?
blue bait, just small hooks. Do you have blue bait?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
On the small hook.
Yeah, like, oh, well, you can obviously see these hooks aren't too huge.
Oh, yep.
And yeah, that's all.
20 metres out, straight ahead.
Pretty much. Go that left side.
I'll try that then.
Yeah.
Are you Fishinstraya?
Yeah.
You say you overhit, did you have 2 on at once?
Yeah. Oh, like I was trying to
And I was like, he's got 2 and one's going down, one's going up.
yeah, I got them both in, but they were only cod. But if it was anything serious, I was sort of in trouble because I just couldn't control them at all. Because I hooked up.
It was you yelling and then we looked over. Alright, get back and bother.
Too easy. Have a good one. I got another one of those rigs. If you can't catch anything, just come over and I'll give it to you.
Cheers.
Well, guys, sort of started to die off. Plus, got to head back in town, into home. So, gonna call the pin. So that Hayabusa whiting rig. So I've just got a sinker there on this clip down, and I've gone the red colour. Red colour there, bang. Circle hooks have worked absolutely a dream. Just cast them out, loosening the drag, let the fish pick them up and take them, and also couple nice fish on the little Berkeley plastic from Tamar Marine. So that's the size. They've 8 centimetre Berkeley paddle tail. I'll put the name if I got it wrong here, but yeah. So anyway, yeah. So good little session. How beautiful is it though? Like, such a good looking place when it's not windy, and it's just mirror flat. Bit of rain, but once you got a good jumper, this Ridgeline jumper, I'm literally dry underneath. So like, just a quick thanks to Ridgeline from AllGoods Launceston for literally saving my life. But anyway, that's all. I'm gonna go give that Hayabusa whiting rig to those kids over there that came over. They couldn't get on much, so I'll give them the Hayabusa whiting rigs and then they'll get on to some. But yeah, anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Phew.